car just finished up another deck. Turned out really nice. We did a cedar tone decking. Originally thought we were going to be able to salvage the existing framing, but upon tearing off the deck boards, it all was pretty spongy and rotten, so it was a complete rebuild. Previous posts went into the ground, 4x4 posts. We were able to replace those with 6x6. Extended the footings out of the ground and got it the way they should be. Was pretty interesting with all the angles. It wasn't your typical square. Walk you up top here. The railing is Muzato brand off of Amazon. Cable railing. One really cool feature is it's got a channel for LED lights. The channel runs all the way around the deck for some nice nighttime illumination. We've got a cedar tone deck board, picture frame perimeter. She's not mine. So day by day, I'll turn my dreams into a ministry, a ministry, a ministry of her love. Day by day, so yeah, customers really liking it. Threw in a new Larson storm door for them while we were at it. Camel hidden fasteners. Can't really see them until you zoom in. You can see how the screws are just right off to the side. Nice semi-hidden fastener system. Very easy to install. With our Camel upright collated screw gun. Miss this lovely view. Great place to work. We are out of here.